Here is the latest information of our nitrogen system, which is installed in Waterloo at our electronics facility. Customer needed 99.99% pure nitrogen, 100 ppm content maximum they can allow in their system. So we install a complete nitrogen system, piped in, labeled with blue for compressor, green for nitrogen, with the Kaiser 40 horsepower air compressor, and then all the carbon towers and peak nitrogen system. So regular operation, machine is rated for 100 ppm of oxygen content, so it is giving only 2 ppm. So it is not allowing more than 2 ppm of oxygen content in their system. So all piped in to their plant. For any nitrogen needs, feel free to contact us. Specialty Gas Canada, we are here to serve you.